Weekly export inspection solid in corn, below expectations in soybeans and wheat. And so we continue to see those struggle over the corn movement here as we inspect and ship. More flash sales out this morning for China, 365,000 metric tons. One of those was to China. The smaller one was unknown destination, aka China. So I think we continue to see good demand. That's why beans are being supported. Not only the beef tallow being banned, or I should say tariffed, that could keep it out of the U.S. That goes into effect July 22nd. That is Wednesday of this week. But also just the fact that China continues to buy. Remember, beans were the first ones to turn. Beans have had the best energy build. Beans also broke the coil last week in the ETF, in the SOYB ETF. We broke the coil. This releases higher targets. We'll talk about the charts here in a second, but beans are your leader. Wheat is second. Corn is third. Corn might be leading over wheat today, but remember, wheat has a better setup than corn does. Corn has the worst setup inside the matrix. That doesn't mean it won't go higher. It's certainly not going to go against soybeans. Soybeans go up. Corn's going to go up. But soybeans are the leader, wheat is second, and corn is lagging behind. War is on the rise, both in the Middle East and the Black Sea. I'm telling you, it's hard to figure out which one's accelerating more. Both have had tremendous amounts of damage done when you think about the missiles and the drone attacks and everything going back and forth. And of course, Russia and Ukraine is heating up there as well. And so war on the rise is not bearish any of our markets. War on the rise is not bearish the U.S. Economy. War on the rise is really not bearish the stock market. Now, initially, they won't like it if crude oil goes up, and crude oil has been struggling a little bit here today. It's been up, it's been down. If you jump down at bullet point number 10, energy markets are all over the place today, but generally a little bit firmer. I still like the markets for higher, but the only market that's up right now is heating oil. It's a strong seasonal to move up as we come toward heat season. Winter is approaching. Of course, crude oil is down 35 cents a barrel, so not much change today.